If you've gotten a kitchen remodel quote lately, you've probably experienced sticker shock, one way or another. The national average is pushing well above $30,000. What if I told you that for under $10,000 and some work, you can completely transform your kitchen? I'm talking solid wood cabinets, good counters, sink, faucet, handles, and appliances. I'm going to show you all the proof today, including the kitchen design and all the prices. Stay tuned. I'm seriously not talking about cheap particle board cabinets or painting over your old ones. I'm talking about a luxury look with a realistic budget. Alright folks, now here's the golden rule. Do not touch the layout. The second you move a sink, a stove, or knock down a load-bearing wall, you trigger a cascade of plumbing, electrical, and permitting costs that will eat half your budget instantly. Keep your appliances and water lines exactly where they are. You are doing a simple pull and replace. Cabinets are usually the most expensive part of any remodel. Custom cabinetry will immediately blow a $10K budget. The ultimate cheat code? RTA, or ready to assemble cabinets. I made a kitchen design to show you the prices. We will walk through it one by one. I chose our DeLorean Gray Shaker cabinets as an example, as they are the best priced. Here's the design and the prices. The cabinets you see here, with all the moldings, panels, shipping, and tax, comes out to $3,966. I am filming this March 2026. Go ahead and freeze the estimates. I'm going to leave them on the screen so you can take a look for yourself. The kitchen has 12 cabinets and an island and 42-inch tall wall cabinets. If you wanted to, you could make this even more affordable by doing 30-inch tall wall cabinets, maybe eliminating the island and so forth. So as you guys can see in the layout, we have two base 27s, one on the left side of the range, one on the right. We have a blind base corner cabinet, a sink base of course, two 3-drawer base 30s for the island, some seating in the back, and we have quite a few wall cabinets as well. Again, all the trims are included, the molding, the panels, the shipping and delivery. All of this, as I said, $39.66. For example, the two base 27s are $269 each. The sink base cabinet is $247. The 3-drawer base 30s are $336 each, and so on. At AB Cabinetry, this is exactly what we specialize in. By shipping them flat packed, you get wholesale pricing on grade A solid wood cabinets. We can ship them anywhere nationwide for a flat rate of just $299. Or if you want them fully assembled, we can do that too. The shipping for that is $699, as honestly we pay quite a bit to get that freight moving. Instead of waiting 6 months for custom builders, they arrive in about 2 to 3 weeks from our warehouse to your house. If you're nervous about putting them together, don't be. They take about 20 minutes per cabinet. I have a full step-by-step video showing exactly how easy it is to assemble them yourself, and it's right in the description. For countertops, please avoid exotic stones. Go with a level 1 quartz or a high-end butcher block, which is what I would suggest if you're doing this all yourself. If you buy prefabricated quartz and hire a local fabricator just to cut and install, you can get this done for around $2,500. Butcher block, you can do yourself. I have done it on various projects. It's not that hard. Next, allocate about $1,500 for a fresh matching appliance package during a holiday sale. If your appliances are fine, you can leave them as they are. Throw in $500 for a new sink and faucet, and $500 for a stylish stick-on tile backsplash you can easily install yourself over a weekend. Let's look at the final receipt. AB Cabinetry solid wood RTA cabinets, $39.66 with delivery and taxes. Butcher block counter, you'll need 3 slabs for this kitchen that we're showing. $12.50, that means your budget is $400 for each slab. New appliance bundle special, $1,500. Sink, faucet, backsplash, $1,000. Miscellaneous, I'm talking dump run to dump your old cabinets, paint, and tips for help. Maybe you need some help from some neighbors and whatnot. I allocated $22.84 for that. So that's total $10,000. As you guys can see, you just saved a lot of money and you didn't sacrifice an ounce of quality. Yes, you had to work. This will probably take, 5-7 days worth of work. If you want to see exactly what to look for when selecting your cabinet styles, click the video on the screen right now where I cover everything you need to know before buying kitchen cabinets. If you're ready to price out your dream kitchen or need help with the free kitchen design, hit the link in the description to check our wholesale prices. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful even a tiny bit, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.